for those that ask sometimes how did I quit from the UK. So this is I'm taking the ship from Hull to Rotterdam, Netherlands. So this is my room. Sometimes we exit the UK with ship. So I was in the room before.
Yeah, we are.
So here we are in the room. There's my bed. I'm gonna sleep tonight. And if I'm traveling with someone, maybe family or anyone, if you like family, your daughter, your girlfriend, your wife, you will take down the upper bed, which is this, by the upper bed, right? And here will go the down bed. Okay, so this is the shower, which I was here. I've already taken my shower already. So this is the part of the room. So let me pause the video. I'll make some short videos over there. Okay, in the ship. Of the ship.
Hier doe ik het niet goed, snap ik?
It's just about bars, and hello, friend. Hello. The place for the buffet?
Straight up, next to the prep.
Oh, thank you. So. Here we eat, that's the buffet, so we're looking at food. Hello. Yeah, this is the place for the buffet?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you need now? The ticket?
Yes, please. Any food allergy?
You know what?
Are you ready for your dinner now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So any food allergy? No allergy,
no.
so everything's self-service.
Everything's okay by me. Alright, thank you.
So everything's self-service, drinks with additional payment, yeah?
Okay.
Table for one, please.
Alright, thank you. This is the live music band of the ship. Right about now we are arriving at Rotterdam, Netherlands. So a few minutes or so. We'll be down. Right? It's part of the journey, driving with trucks. So our trucks, we have it here packed on the ship. For those that ask, how do ship take your trucks and the rest of them? So we get our trucks at the back of the ship here. See, our trucks are loaded over there, and we are still in Hull City or the UK to the Netherlands, to Rotterdam, Netherlands. So here we go. Got some guys over at the up, okay? So let's see if I can get more close to the up as it goes. And what people from up, the up angle. Oh, it's closed. It's closed. we cannot access from down to the up because this floor is for the truck drivers. So that's it, guys. For more tips and video like this, follow for more. Thank you.